When the call comes, reliability is key. There is no room for failure, no room for delay. Your fleet has to perform, whether it's on the open road or in some of the most difficult conditions imaginable. No matter the challenge, Vector Fleet Management continues to set the standard for fleet maintenance and parts management each and every day. From the smallest piece of equipment to the largest vehicles on the planet, if it has an engine, Vector Fleet Management has the knowledge, skill, and experience to keep it running. For more than 35 years, Vector Fleet Management has been meeting and exceeding expectations, providing solutions for several industries, including trucking, mining, government, OEM, and warehousing. With Vector, you get the experience and knowledge base of a company that knows vehicle maintenance and parts management operations from the inside out. Vector Fleet provides a completely customizable on-site solution to your maintenance needs. You determine the size and scope of operation that's right for you, and Vector is there when you need them, in the shop or in the field, without the frustration of waiting in line behind someone else's repair. Established relationships with vendors and manufacturers keep your cost of parts to a minimum. Vector manages operations at 10 Florida and Louisiana locations, overseeing more than $100 million in customer-owned inventory. Vector handles the receiving, distribution, and the overall management of critical items for customers' plant and field operations. Vector Fleet Management has the reputation and incentives to attract and hire the best technicians who are qualified to work on your particular fleet. Experienced technicians who are experts in your particular type of vehicle reduce equipment downtime and unsatisfactory repairs. With superior talent and proper certifications, Vector has received A ratings from both mining and chemical safety ratings agencies. But it's our customer service that we take the most pride in. Not only being there for our customers, but knowing how their unique operation works and finding ways to make them more efficient. Vector's preventive maintenance processes are second to none. Using proven scheduling and predictive maintenance software programs, your fleet stays on the road longer, making your productivity soar. In every service facility across the country, safety comes first, and today, Vector has one of the best safety records in the industry. Keeping pace with ever-changing regulatory requirements from OSHA, MSHA, the DOT, and local authorities is not easy, but Vector makes it a priority and is there to ensure that your fleet is always aligned with current government regulations, including proper documentation. Vector Fleet Management offers clearly superior alternatives to traditional maintenance and parts management solutions and represents the best value for professionally managed, dedicated fleet maintenance contracts. Vector Fleet Management, your source for unparalleled fleet maintenance and parts management. To learn more about how you can partner with Vector Fleet, visit vectorfleet.com.